Today we will explain the hydrogenation of ethene in the presence of nickel, which is acting as a catalyst. Now we will see how nickel surface acts as a catalyst. In the first step, I am just showing the surface of nickel. This is the surface of nickel. Here you can see the atoms and the arrangement of atoms in nickel solid. In second step, the hydrogen molecule. This is the hydrogen molecule. This will be adsorbed on the surface of nickel. This is the weak van der Waals forces. This is also called physical adsorption. This is the process by which hydrogen molecule attacks on the surface of the nickel solid. Then this hydrogen molecule dissociate by the phenomena called chemiabsorption. Hydrogen molecule will be separated. Then the ethene molecule come in contact with the nickel surface on which hydrogen is adsorbed. These start developing forces. These are the forces. This is a highly unstable state. And activated complex is formed in this step. In the highly unstable state, the molecule will be broken down, and the hydrogen will be added to the ethene or ethylene molecule, and the nickel surface again become free and available for the other reaction.